The Harshad thought the best way to counter rumor to simply pay before the time, and from tea stall to trading rent. He spread the news of his advance payment. This increased his reputation even the more Bear Goat show. In this incident, Harshad incurred a loss of 1.5 crore rupees, which was significant stuck back for him. But soon he bounced back along with small investor. Grow more start to work with the institutional investor. He soon became one of the largest institutional broker in the India. He did not want to be a broker all his life and invest the people money in the stock market. He wanted to become a big investor himself. He wanted both the money and the profit to buy. His Harshad decided to enter a new market for capital, the money market. The money market was basically an arrangement in which a bank could take a short-term loan from other bank. Generally, banks used to give loan each and other so that they earn extra income and invest. And generally, any bank used to take his loan when they needed cash for a short time. Let's understand with an example. Citibank has an extra rupees of 100 crore. They want to give it as a loan to the other bank. On the other hand, there is a Bank of America which need 100 crore. Now the Citibank will transfer Bank of the America 100 crore. In the return, Bank of America needs to put 100 crore of assets as a collateral, as a mortgage to Citibank, and these assets are generally government security and a bonds. After 15 days, Bank of America will return 100 crore plus interest amount to Citibank and will withdraw the mortgage securities. But there is a catch. In the reality, the bank did not really transfer collateral to other. Instead, they used to issue bank receipt. That's mean BR. As in this case, on the 100 crore of the loan, Bank of America did not really give Citibank its assets or securities, but they gave a BR, which mean bank receipt. Basically, this BR was a promise of Bank of America to Citibank that if we would not able to repay the loan, then you will get our assets. The use of BR was to make his process smooth and convenient. These ready for forward deal were facilitated by the money market broker, for which they used to get a brokerage, which mean a fee. And now Harshad Mehta want to become his broker. Harshad saw that a cartel is being run in a money market by Citibank and the people like Ajay Kayan and Hemendra Kothari, and they control the whole market. To deal with them, Harshad identified such a bank which were not happy with the control of cartel like Bank of America and ANZ Great Alliance Bank. Harshad offered them his broking services and formed a kind of cartel along with his bank. Within 2 years, the Harshad became a top broker of the money as well. He had a plan to use money market and earn thousands of the crore in stock market, and his plan was going to the face of the India biggest financial scam. To save his time and money, lots of bank used to transfer money to broker accounts in advance, so that the broker transfer the money to the other bank as soon as he get the best deal and give them security such as mean BR. Harshad saw a big people low fee here. He noticed that when bank transferred them money in advance, then before the deal is done, the money just sit their bank for 10 to 15 days. Harshad start investing his money in the stock market and start to increase the price of his favorite stock artificially. Then he sold the share and kept the profit for himself, and he executed the money market deal with the test of the money. He saw that the BR used to give the return the loan and no one used to verify that. That means that nobody used to check the BR that or issue against the security. Do the bank that the issue BR really had that the kind of security and got them making the fake BR from them. In this case, Harshad took a loan from a bank and sold the stock directly and made Bank of Crud prepare fake BR and give them to bank giving loan. In this way, the Harshad would have a more money than before. Invest in the stock market between 1999 and 1992. Harshad used his money to make the market reach sky. The Sensex, which was around 800 point in May in 1999, the same Sensex reached to up to the 4500 to till April 1992. Harshad made a favorite stock like ACC across the price of 1000 from 300. put the price of Apollo tires also increased 10 times. Manu Manek and the remaining bear tried a lot of bring the market down. Manu Manek and remaining bear tried a lot to bring the market down, but the market kept going up because Harshad had a whole trio to bring the market up. As soon as the money came in, the Harshad bought a lavish penthouse of the 15,000 square feet. There were the 29 car in which India first imported Lexus car was presented. Along with all this, Harshad got a new name, the Big Bull. When he bought the share of the Mazda industry, its price increased anyway, but another company which was named Swaraj Mazda, its price also started increasing simply because there was a Mazda in its name, and the people Harshad bought share of his company. He started appearing on the cover of magazine like Business India and Business Today. The media was showing his lavish terrace and cars collection, and he was showing him as India's highest income taxpayer. He started to consider himself a god. Even after so much success, he did not want to stop. In fact, he set his target to earn more profit than the Global Investment Bank and also Tata Telco. In the 1991, RBI got a tip that the BRS are being misused in the money market. That's why they ordered inquiry against a few banks. Along with that, issue strict guidelines against BRs. It was difficult to use fake BRs and operate money market. Even after that, in December 1991, Harshad took 500 crore from SBI. Like every time, he used his money in a stock market to bump share, but this time he was not able to provide fake BR from another bank and give it to SBI. During this time, he braided an SBI employee and Sita Aman and asked him to manipulate SBI. But even after all this, SBI official got to know about 500 crore gap in their record. In April 92, SBI confronted Harshad and started to pressurize Harshad to return his money. Because of SBI had taken legal action, then his entire scam would have been exposed to everyone. Ashwin suggested Harshad sell his stock and return the money to SBI, but Harshad did not want to do this so that he could save from the capital gains tax. Harshad asked some of time from SBI and took money from other bank NHB and started returning the money to SBI in installment. Times of India reporter Suchita Dalal was informed about this whole case, and on April 23 in 1992, the front page news was printed. 500 crore were missing from the SBI account, and the Big Bull Harshad Mehta was behind it. The government picked and started income tax, RBI and CBI investigation against Harshad. The whole country came to know that the very cleverly bank money was used to inflate stock market and artificially for a year. Harshad Mehta stock were worst. Retail investor also lost